CSS is a powerful tool for styling websites, but many developers struggle with writing clean, maintainable, and efficient CSS. Let's dive into the best practices. Forgetting to reset or normalize styles. Browsers have default styles that cause inconsistencies. What to do? Use a CSS reset, such as normalize.css, or a custom reset. Here is an example of simple reset.
Nice.
Overusing important. Important overrides the natural specificity hierarchy, making debugging difficult. Use CSS variables for consistent styling. Not using a naming convention. Random class names make it hard to understand the purpose of styles. Use a structured naming convention like BM, block element modifier. Writing deeply nested selectors. Increases specificity, making overrides difficult. Keep selectors shallow and avoid unnecessary nesting.